Lean protein. Lean protein is a term used to describe a type of protein that has a low calorie and fat content. These proteins are generally found in plant-based foods, such as legumes and nuts. Lean proteins are an important part of a healthy diet, as they provide essential nutrients while also helping to control weight. Compared to other sources of protein, lean proteins are low in calories and fat, making them an ideal choice for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Whole grains. Most Americans consume too much refined grain and not enough whole grains. The health benefits of consuming whole grains are many, including reducing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Whole grains are also high in fiber and contain important vitamins and minerals. Healthy fats. Some people are under the misconception that all fats are bad for you. This is not the case. In fact, there are a number of healthful fatty acids that your body needs to function properly. These include omega-3 fatty acids, which are found in fish oils, and omega-6 fatty acids, which are found in nuts and seeds. These fatty acids help keep your heart healthy, improve your brain function, and reduce inflammation throughout your body. Vegetables. A well-rounded diet is key to a healthy lifestyle, and that includes eating your vegetables. Vegetables are packed with important nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. They also contain fiber, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied after eating. Vegetables come in all shapes and sizes, so there's something for everyone. From leafy greens to cruciferous vegetables to root vegetables, there's a variety of flavors and textures to enjoy. And best of all, they're low in calories and carbs, making them the perfect food for people who are trying to lose weight or manage their blood sugar levels. So what are you waiting for? Start adding more vegetables to your diet today. If you want to get to your weight loss goals faster, then click the link in the description. This will take you to one of the top-rated ways to burn your fat fast.